Nah, stop for picking it, bro. Oh my days, they don't wanna let me in that stupid car, bro. Let me in the car, man. They don't wanna let me in a flipping car. How am I gonna save the girl if I can't go in a stupid car? Hell no. Oh my days, really? She just run over me, bro? She's so dumb. Trust me, man. But to be honest, I'll run in the way. Finally, they get me to let me jump in. Serious, man? Wow.
I had it under control. You didn't have to do that. Listen, I know the stupid race was unwinnable. That's why I wanted to beat it. But
Hi guys.
thanks. You probably saved my life or whatever. I'm not good at apologies. I'm not mad at you. I just wanted to shove that victory in their fucking faces. I've had to put up with the twins' horse shit for years. I kept my mouth shut. I did what I was told. All I ever asked in return was for those two dingbats to leave my baby alone.
I'm
What
afraid.
did they do? Try to take my kid away and send me off to die in their stupid death race. As long as the twins are around, my baby will never be safe. I'm gonna pay the highwaymen back for what they did to me. You're all right.
Joke
Give
on.
me a shot if you ever need an extra gun.
Mud fam.
I'm all ready, boy. Let's go do something.
I didn't say I'm a bad one. What's- okay, yeah. Hey, I don't know why.
Nature sucks. I'm over it. Montana. All the pig shit of Wisconsin, but with mountains.
What? Cause you're kind of dog. Wow. Wow. I mean, here, what? Eh? And, lucky never there, dog. Eh? Eh? I was saying, I accept them, man. And that more do more have more at least 15 people to play with. You see me? More no one bag up. Half 5 people in Paya me need even chat to. Yeah. I'm trying to look for these things. Can't find them, man. I'm trying to look for these things and I cannot find them. What's that picture? I'll look for those another time. Let's go back here. Airdrop. Ooh. Okay, we're home. Alright, let's start this thing. Who do I need to talk to? Uh, Hi.
Ready? I got the info on our first big score.
Ready.
Thanks to you for getting me the fuel.
Let's go.
Now you, me, la grosse patate, we're gonna get back to doing what we do best. Pissing off highwaymen and stealing their resources. So listen to this. The highwaymen found a crashed aircraft carrier and are using it to hide supplies. They thought they could keep that a secret, huh? No, not from Roger. Whatever they found has to be good for us, too. So what do you say we pay them a visit? Maybe take a stroll on the beach after we rip them off? No, just a joke. The highwaymen would be pissed off and we need to get the fuck out of there quick. So, ça te tente-tu? Ah, moi je capote.
Let's go then.
You and me?
Alright, yo. Wagwan, wagwan.
Yo.
What happened? What happened now?
Eh? Yeah, do.
Eh? What happened now? See me here now. What happened? Talk to me.
Yeah. Then talk to your friend, please.
Talk to me now, man.
Wow.
Come to sound away for soccer. Eh?
Saka chat to you yet?
What you mean? Soccer talk to me. What happened?
Eh?
What not, Jay? You don't know what happened. What happened? Trans. You, so Dan, you know if so hold on, you know if it's a chant in Dan, you know if it's a chant or trance or transformer or whatever. Eh?
Because
What?
we
Me,
hear you
no
already,
problem.
man. We hear you on the phone, but it's a kind of trouble. We hear you, man, on the phone.
Nah, man, every car you say, yo, what happened? What?
Yeah, no, boy.
Once you get the package, I'll tell you where to meet. Oh wait,
So make we know what going.
Then you know a trance then, cause me a power do not too.
Yeah.
Come here, power do not too. I only in a party all the time. All the time, so una. Yeah, boy. Me I sure not sitting still, cause the thing I joke. I have 300 odd friends they have. Me need to start go through and just delete. No many people. Yeah.
So I show you a trouble,
Yeah,
dog.
Me
Man.
no. No, say I trouble, not trouble. Me no take it seriously.
No, man.
I trouble.
I'll tell you, suck off the car.
You're dirty. You're dirty, not Jay, no. Oh, wait till Buck come. So what Buck can do too?
Yeah, do.
Ah, boy. But how I go in there, not Jay in there question the person still, you know. And
The girl say,
no, sir.
girl say, oh, so bitch. Say, blood. No. That's a boy.
I don't know.
They know if you take that, there, brother.
So hold on, I'm not hear soccer or
Sucker up on the phone.
babe, what's this?
You need to see about that, there's somebody there.
I can't see this. This?
Yeah. Huh?
The wheels that you get in the scratch.
I miss it, you know. My man fingernail need to cut, man.
Look at this shade down.
That's great. My tell Saka say me I work a man, you know, 3 o'clock.
Yeah, man, go and sleep, man.
I know you want to come to daddy. Hmm? Oh, yeah, me. You want to have Mondays and Tuesdays. Yeah, bedtime in a Mason. Yeah. You feel happy, you feel better, you know, eh? Feel better?
You know, get all miserable.
Yeah, my love. Yeah. Now ramp with me. Can't tell a girl that say man a Jamaican, eh?
The highwaymen are going to throw
Girl up
everything
there.
they have
You
at
know,
you to try to stop
the one with the on the Apex.
Okay, the package. Yeah, when I character.
Like a Caribbean.
Trinidad.
Trinidad, yeah.
Locate the package. Come on, this contain bail long to load.
What's up? Me have a game for run off and you get to
Oh, no.
You see nobody now score in a Liverpool game.
Yeah, draw. General up. You see it in your place now.
Hey, what they done? Oh, don't let them sleep. Hey, Crawford, he might go for. Where you go? Where you going? Hey, Neela, how you put in that formula?
Yeah, see someone.
How you put in that formula?
Head to the beach to the southeast. It looks like a good place for me to land.
Honey? Oh shit.
Oh, yeah, I shrunk the kids.
In hyper, you know. You wanna sleep? Yeah, maybe.
Shrunk the kids, boy.
And because
Yeah, we should have come over here, so.
If you got the package, we need to leave in a hurry. The highwaymen are going to keep attacking you no matter what.
look, yeah, mash up people, the pods.
Damn. Girl, come resurrect me quick. Girl, come resurrect me. Girl, come resurrect me. Resurrect me, girl, resurrect me. Party, girl, resurrect me.
I saw you that guy.
Girl, come resurrect me, girl. Come resurrect me, please. Don't get.
Secure the package and leave that fucker dead in the dirt.
3, 2, 1. Yo, come pick me up. Come pick me up. What do you say, girl?
Stop being so dramatic.
Oh, they don't want to pick up Nachi.
Jump, no blood clot, jump.
I'm a peacekeeper there.
Bumbo, shark and yummy in the water. Me bumbo not.
I'm hit, shit, that chopper's trying to land.
Dog, shark and yummy in the water, dog, me ever did. Yeah. In a Far Cry, oh gosh. Swim. Yeah. Like you Far Cry, man.
I fish you want to eat him in a gun.
Whoa.
You know what you say a while ago, the shark?
Yeah,
We shot though. We shot, no, hold on, we shot though.
I can't see you, man. Make your come out of my way, no? She bombard. girl in a my way, my
boy.
me not like when
Dangerous boy with a dangerous. Yes, I know that. And I love hypocrisy. Hey, that.
oh.
Bumbuka gunshot at innocent. Running there with the peacekeeper, you know.
Oh, but
That's it.
me. The boy died that ground.
What are you waiting for? Let's go, tabarnak!
If you killing up the man, run. Swim, swim. When they say helicopter under attack, Jano, me not gonna change time. Oh gosh. Go. Me a fall, me a...
Shooting us like grosse patate! Va chier, tabarnak!
So shoot
Yeah.
back off of them, no, man.
What is that? What happened?
Shit, we gotta go now! La grosse patate is in bad shape!
Life.
Let's go!
Yes, we reach him if we go.
Woo! That was like straight out of an action movie. Bullets flying, explosions,
Watch that.
daring escape by
No,
a safety pilot.
Someone over here glitch out. Hey, watch out.
And the choke and
Babe,
kill.
what you say? This one better.
Why?
What is it?
It's just bigger.
It's alright.
What time over there? 1, 2,
Come here.
after 10 over there. Eh?
Coffee.
After 10.
Yeah, I said it, man. Huh? Bring it from.
You say no matter. Matter.
Wow, me get a 1 kill off of Apex.
Apex a idiot game, yo.
No, I eat that game. Move up, man. Hey, man. A problem, you want to put me in there.
Highwaymen and their
General himself. Whoa. Well done.
was a close one, huh? Oh, we caught those fuckers. Yeah. Okay, back to normal.
Pacify
One thing about
us.
the highwaymen, once they- Hey, come here.
Oh. You said that the boy not genuine know about them things that say that make sense to tell him. Domestic.
Back for more, huh? I like you. I'm almost done. So, one thing about the highwaymen. Once they're exposed, they always come back stronger. I've seen it. So, if you ever want to rob a stronghold again, we can. But they'll do everything in their power to make it harder for us. Or, there's a new stronghold we can go to. Checks out. Highwaymen are controlling the only bridge that's still standing over the canyons to the southwest. They wait for people to cross the bridge, and then BAM!
Yeah.
They do an ambush and take all the stuff. In French, we call that se faire fourrer.
Oh, instead of a cut up in gum, yeah.
So you want to know the plan? There's no fucking plan, okay? We take from them like they
Yeah.
take from the others, and that's it. Merci, bonsoir.
Teeth in ring.
We go back to the warship, or you, me, la grosse patate, we go to Navajo Bridge. Laquelle tu veux? You and me, we make good partners, huh?
Hey, mister. You and me, we're making a difference here. Thanks.
Hi guys. There. Hi guys. How are you guys? You up on the domestic FIFA? FIFA domestic like any other thing in the world. Let me see me can buy another gun. Yeah man, me can. The great Dumbia himself, man, I'm team man. Nine mags that come with me can't buy the gun with 9 mags, you know. Yeah. Someone want leopard skin. Oh, the bomb so. A sniper. Can't kill nobody with sniper. Oh, 6 max. I'm on team craft. I know I'm gonna take care of the weeds and cotton. I keep my body in a youth. That have 10. So 6. Damn, I need a beer skin, it say. And them gold they use.
The man have 99, whatever.
We say Saka, you're a big baller now, Saka.
Long time, man, a piece of them case and man, you get upgrade on it, I don't understand. Tell a car, I want it to put that upgrade. You know, when I hear to sing again, though. 86 me have him not now. You not team that breed, you know? You not team that breed. We move from year 4 to year 6. You get our players pick upgrade. God damn, man. Nigga bad. You get our mini upgrade. And three, them get upgrade, them the thing get upgraded, you know. The boy, the Roberts, the boy get a 83 car. He get a 83 car and move up. Now move up to 80. Yeah, 84 in farm move up to 86. 96 speed. Finishing shot order 91. Finishing 92. Attacking position 99. Yeah, you see that. With that set, stand up. Stand up. Very good. With a half. Stand up. Stand up, very good. And his aggression is very strong. 92 stamina. Yeah, I'm a super sub.
No, we need a full shirt bank. I don't know why.
Why go and make like upgrade to
We're nearing the bridge. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. You know the bridges where I come from collapsed even before the bombs? Okay, once you get the package, I'll tell you where to meet. Oh wait, go get this
Boy,
tiger.
yes, General himself. Me. Transport.
Nah, say them right or wrong.
Yeah, look.
I think she still. Me can't send her invite to make a question her. No,
Yeah, send her.
Yeah, let me see.
Like Saka, be judged.
Well, man, let me.
Or if you go to prison with your dad, you're not a lucky girl. Well, look the boy. Now you have to put on your New York foreign accent.
I'm send her invite. Maybe she fall. Him.
Yes, silent gun, the gun your butt.
So that means that you can't send that an invite then. Let me see when Najee plays. And the yes, I swear same as streamer.
Ready for my type of game, then I play you.
See how much somebody I watch his stream. One.
Yeah.
And I'm me.
Two people I watch now you. Yeah,
I'm me alone.
Danny fans, them I request your voice in that.
Gun look bad though.
Me can show you what how you weapon them.
Is a AK that?
No, sir.
Hmm?
Those Esquid highwaymen are not going to stop coming after you. Grab the package and let's get out of here. Yes, sir. Well done. Okay, here comes the
You're not
extraction point.
echo. The thing I echo, you know, how you take out that?
Southwest of you.
Oh,
That's where I'll get you.
think you have to mute. Who are echo? You are echo? Mine not
No,
echo.
no. I in a game man, in a broadcast. Yeah, it's have a delay too.
What the? Hey, stay alert! Someone's taking our stuff!
Oh, okay.
You got the goods,
I did
but
not,
you
the
need
man
to get
shooting.
out of there.
Yeah, cause
The
dog them
highwaymen are
attack you
going to throw
there.
everything they have at you to try and stop you.
Give me a body now, me tell you say different dog, yeah. Different game this bro. Dosa. Yeah. Dosa made him redeem that day, you know. Some money upon bro. Yeah, with the name Dosa, yeah.
I have to go mix soccer run off my FIFA game tonight.
Damn.
I try to get, I think, maybe
There they are! Thought you could take our gear, huh?
Go helicopter there.
Oh yeah? Alright, my bad. Okay, okay. Alright.
Damn.
I'm here! Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Where is it? Is it up here? Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go.
Okay, buckle up!
Yes.
Close call, man. You're
Yo.
one crazy son of a gun, you know that? Glad you're on our side.
I show you a weapon them skulls. Where all them fix up them in the game here. Teasy. Yeah man, me have my gold gun them man. Yeah, talk about. Saka. You know Wang Ching.
So Saka, you watch a game?
Hey, ici mon ami. Come here.
Alright, my skull. This is my place. So I fix up.
I stop watching the echo.
Oh, me
Yeah,
I show you
the-
weapon them, dog. You want to see weapon them? You have to turn off your mic if you want. If you don't want to hear the echo. Turn off your so, I'm gonna show you.
Oh, what? You wanna give water the boot now, brother? Who come in that party?
I am molest
She
you.
come in that. She. God, no. Alright, bro. Yo. What's transmission? Bro.
Bienvenue. Check ça. There's a bunch of highwayman activity at the amusement park way down south in the bayou. One thing's for sure, they're not riding roller coasters and laughing and screaming.
Come in that park and say, hi guys.
Hi guys.
Yo, me over there dead with laughing. That just say, yo, I can't hear your voice.
What?
This way say girl would have left.
Yeah, say.
Saka that left half hour. Me never done internet chip out, but that's yo.
Then make all party I invite me.
It is, man. If you over there, if you over there, I push you.
Reminds me of back home when I was a kid.
This person come out of nowhere, brother. I mean, can I just say, yo, I'm online now, so I just make it party.
Find the supplies and I'll radio you the extraction point. And don't forget to gear up. Good luck. Be careful, the package has a GPS tracker. Where it goes, the highwaymen follow. Bonne chance.
Great. No, sir, I'm good.
Dead like dog.
What player gets sell?
If it was a girl, it wouldn't be so bad.
Go sit down, man. Hear that?
Joke around. You want to say? Whoa. You see how ironic that is? Two, you know.
Mira. Bring him now, bring him. Great legend, you have to buy surgery.
I don't know about Antoine. No, you mongo know about the anti-man. Thief, man. Boy, give 60 man, 6 and give me today now or so. Yeah, great man not two miss. Once I hear me talk fire goal, that goal, you know. Yeah. It is it, man. See them,
Sorry, bro. That's weird.
I love too much sweets, man.
The highwaymen are going to keep sending reinforcements, so let's not waste time. Grab the prize and get out of there as soon as possible.
Mr. Saka. Me big thing I'm gonna do thing there. Icon SBC and get left. Left back, brother.
Left back icon.
Entrance to the park looks clear. I'll land there.
No? When you're done?
Petit as well, so.
Petit.
Reinforcements, so let's not waste time and get out of here as soon as possible.
Hey Neil, I don't want this funny wall, you know. Make sure it's there, you know. Hey, the box broke. The thing that the cat up on the wall, you know. You come right here. No, the thing that with the where we use them information. It's not man king. Holy cow. Hey, the box broke. The box broke.
Kind of German squad that. Man, they're not stressing over the money. Aye, Shauna. You know already should be today. You may attack, you know bait it, you bait. I could jump on bed. Go in your bed, man, you bull. You know come back. What? Then talk to your Bridget. So that talk to your
You can
Bridget.
put a big one, right? A big.
I'm my best friend, man. And say transmission want change, boy. I don't know. Change the TV station.
I'm not here that me. I didn't know I was funny.
Done. One of all of that.
Why? You can't say why. Yeah.
Just need to get some gold weapon, you know. So we can take out the gold people, then much of that bus.
Najee, domestic, brother.
Domestic.
Why you not play Anthem?
No, play that because no come out yet. 22nd to come out, but me I call in EA tomorrow in the PlayStation tomorrow. No want it. Get the Metro Exodus. Nah, play that dark come like Destiny, bro.
You say it come like Destiny?
Mm-hmm.
So how you know that I ain't never play?
What? What you say? After you know buy. I tell him for you not buy.
You mentioned? Yes. You want me to go to work and put everything? Come on, put music. Yes. You and the people tomorrow, you know.
Yeah, man, look at it, man.
Yeah, people don't work tomorrow. Boy. I tell you. Danny have to go hit the ladder, so I have to go work. Yeah? Just stream like Najee. You see, Najee a stream game.
Yeah, man, me I work, man, to try to get the squad, you know, flying out.
Wish me they catch you on the day of the billions. Jesus. Yo.
Can I go fuck you to the highwaymen and
No,
score
sir.
some good shit?
I wanna do that, man.
I got some news.
What them time, eh? Of course. Yeah. When it got to the billions.
As soon as you go feed the man and kill up.
I know another spot we can go to.
Wait, done thing there. Wages there.
This is the safest
Oh, first list.
Seems like it was just yesterday that we
That's again. I know Jeremy and I try to go at first list and
Yeah, boy. Joke kind of you there, boy. A real joke kind of you.
10 o'clock already. I'm sorry, none USB-C man come on, is there? I'm gonna do one of them one swatch. Try my luck. Premier League upgrade to
Always
what?
ready for action.
Required.
You know, the way you kick ass got me thinking
Don't
of
do this
something.
now.
You
I'm
know
gonna do
how
one
they
of
say
them.
when people die, they
Gee.
shit themselves? With
Well,
the
I'm gonna do
highwaymen,
this
it's
then, man.
the opposite. They see you, then they shit themselves, and then they
And
die.
then that even make me no star.
Poetic.
Yeah, this man gonna.
We need more beauty.
Yeah, this man gonna do then.
If you know what I mean.
Then trade over and trade over.
So listen to this. I have 3 words for you. Alcatraz. Highwaymen are stripping it of whatever they can find. It's a whole operation. Well, my friend, that just means Operation Fuck That Shit is underway.
And
If
do
the
it.
movies taught us anything, it's that there's always a way in or out of
Hey,
that
go
shit,
to
right?
sleep, bro. We keep doing the same.
That's it, wow. Can't picture that I walk
I
around and go
know.
see the bed slippers.
You and me, we make quick work.
And run not down in bed, no brother. Am I going to bed, man?
Why you bed you?
I'm mad. You drop asleep, you know? I play game and drop asleep, bro.
Oh,
Are they are not?
oh you?
I the part like, yeah. I said, right. The one of them upgrade that say me get nothing. And the one SBC need to relax now. I say, oh, I got bed. I follow that, do I want this? Icon.
Hey, I remember coming here as a kid. By
You
then,
can't get icon out of this?
I was just visiting, I swear.
Mm-hmm.
Find the supplies, and I'll radio you the extraction point. And don't forget to gear up. Good luck. Be careful, the package has a GPS tracker. Where it goes, the highwaymen follow. Find chance.
My God, that's true, bro. I seem to chemistry never know some know some when me not try. Chemistry there.
Just so you know you're domestic.
And that's oh the one of them. It says delivery wow. 81 are up plus? No, this is one happy. One happy. Yeah, I feel like Premier League is probably playing that. Let me see. I don't know. 86. One, this is more. No, 89 now. Let's see. Poggy, come up. Puggy. Puggy. We're on board there. I'm in Max Marlins. Country level. I don't know my best time to go try run off about the thing.
Run
You
off
know
what?
so small? Huh?
Yeah, talk about run off.
Try to get the
Way to go, Cesar!
for the
I'm
league
sending
getting
you the pickup location now. Head to the docks. I'll come get you there.
Alright bro, tomorrow.
Yeah, man, look a bit, man.
I think we've got a problem. Sending in backup. The gear's on the move, but it ain't one of ours. Spread out. If you got the package, we need to leave in a hurry. The highwaymen are going to keep attacking you no matter what.
Let's see if they can find me.
Got him! Right down there!
See, I walk, my general. See, I walk up and down if you run off, you take a sleep.
Got ya! Get after him!
Yeah, until that shot too.
Chopper inbound! They're trying to get away!
Uh-oh.
Heads up, I'm coming in! Time to get the fuck out of here, I think!
On my helicopter that keeping a fire from one helicopter.
Section Fister, let's go, let's go, let's go! Fuck yeah, tabarnak! You got the package and left the highwayman with nothing! I'd give you a big kiss, but I'm fine, you know, but fuck, I'm gonna find you later. Watch out!
I think that's the first one, you can do it again. Apex, Tracy, Drizzle, Daisy, Tracy. Daisy, Daisy, Tracy. Oh. We see on yeah. And I wouldn't be surprised if you're talking. Yeah, I mean, and today gave me a TCP like that. Yeah, what does I call it? Eh?
Don't walk away, please!
There you are, Rabbit. You were warned, but you and Rush kept making too many problems for us. So finally we had to take things into our own hands. Now it's our turn to make problems for you. Your people here are counting on you. We're gonna show them just how much of a curse you really are.
Billy hot me a fart, bomba to the free.
You're the clock.
The bad
Get him,
boy,
Rabbit. That door's not gonna open itself.
The hostage you got dead in a car right now. That's a pipe go underground, you know, you. You don't know where underground, you underground. Oh, that's all. Liberate the hostage.
You ready for more?
Find and defuse 4 bomb, bro.
What happens when you fuck with us?
Damn.
We warned you too. We fucking warned you.
Oh,
You
4.
live and you learn. That's what Pops always said. You and Rush gotta learn.
We have 2 minutes for defuse 4 bomb. Which part in there? I don't feel me have one special ops to take out the bomb and people are shoot off of me at the same time. Jeez, where bomb in the inside? I'm gonna find one bomb. Defuse. I have 1 minute. Got you blood. Right, me just waste more 30 seconds right this one could have now. Jeez, please me require one card. Oh gosh. People are dead, you know. What the freak? I'm gonna defuse one out of. Where are some people in there? Damn. One minute or so. What's up with the freak? The man dead, you know, come in and know where they there. Oh, feel the mission here, bro. I don't know where them there. What the freak? Yeah, I have to go start over. I have to go dead and start over. No, you can't find them. You know,
Not looking good for Russ here.
nope, it's not looking good at all. They're dead. Tell her that now, say them dead. They're dying, bro. I don't know where to go. All of them dead. To the winner field. I'm just gonna be madness.
You ready for more? Got no choice. This is what happens when you fuck with us. We warned you too. We fucking warned you. You live and you learn. That's what Pops always said. You and Rush gotta learn.
Where on earth I'm gonna find these people, bro? Going to sleep, bro.
This is real bad.
God, I'm dead, you on. I say what I see, that's. I'm bed early, brother. Yeah, I know. I know it's all black good, man. Saka say him all black not good, man.
Still turn around. Hey.
This last hostage is the last one to find, bro. So this one.
Not looking good for Russ here.
It's two fields. I don't know how to find it. That last one is killing me. I wonder if it's underground. I'm not sure.
You ready for more? Got no choice. This is what happens when you fuck with us. We warned you too. We fucking warned you.
Somebody's got to help.
You live and you learn. That's what
Oh
Pops
my
always
days.
said.
Alright, so
You and
one.
Rush gotta learn.
Cool.
You thought you could throw your weight around? You thought you could make us look weak? Look at you now.
Hi, sir.
Oh, I know where they are now.
Don't stop now, Rabbit. Keep jumping. What's your memory like these days? You're gonna need it for the next one.
It'll be okay. It'll be okay.
I love me a good puzzle.
We've lived through worse. Oh, thank God. Get us out of here. Get the gate open, please. Captain, get us out of here. Get the gate open, please. No, I can't. We're gonna make it.
Just gotta squeeze a bit more out of him until there's barely anything left.
What's this shoot there? Chain locks. What chain locks, bro? God. Oh, I need a sniper. I need me a sniper from. I didn't know this mission. Do the sniper. Yeah, shoot the chain. There's nothing I could do there, bro. I ain't got no sniper with me. I'm stopping it there, man.